Hi everyone, welcome back to Ballroom with Anna. In today's video, we're going to be teaching you the spot turns in the cha-cha-cha. This is such a useful step. It looks cool and it's a great way of ending lots of the different steps that we're going to be teaching you and getting you back to your basic. So soon you can have this really cool routine. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to teach you the steps. Then I'm going to show you how it works with a partner. And finally, I'm just going to give you a little heads up on some of the common mistakes that can be made, just so we make sure you don't make them. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the spot turn is the same for the leader and the follower. So I'm going to start by teaching you the spot turn to the right, and then the spot turn to the left. And then I'll show you how it works in a couple. Okay, let's go down to the feet. So I'm going to dance a cha-cha-cha to the side with my right foot. Sha, sha, sha. Slightly turning the right toe out at the end, so that now I can easily step forward with the left foot. 2. I've made a quarter of a turn as I do that forward step. Now I'm going to make a further half a turn to the right, transferring my weight to the front foot, which is my right leg, transferring the weight to my right leg as I dance the turn. I'm now going to use my back leg, that's my left foot, to cha-cha-cha to the side again, facing my partner, and I will make a further quarter of a turn. Sha, sha, sha. Just show you that one more time. So cha-cha-cha to the side on the right, sha, sha, sha. Step forward on the left, 2. Make half a turn, 3. Having transferred the weight to my right foot, and now using my left foot to cha-cha-cha to the side again. Sha, sha, sha. So we're now going to cha-cha-cha to the left with the left foot. Sha, sha, sha. Slightly turning that left foot out to allow the right leg to step forward. We're going to make a quarter of a turn to the left as we do that right foot forward. We're now going to continue turning to the left and make a further half a turn. And as we do it, we transfer the weight forward to the front leg, which is my left foot. And I'm now going to use my right leg, my back leg, to cha-cha-cha to face my partner, having made another quarter of a turn. Sha, sha, sha. So we're going to dance cha-cha-cha to the left, sha, sha, sha. Forward on the right. Half a turn to the left, transferring the weight to the left foot. And now another quarter of a turn, cha-cha-chaing to the right. Sha, sha, sha. Okay, so now we're going to show you how the spot turn works with a partner. We're going to dance a cha-cha-cha to the leader's left and follower's right. Sha, sha, sha. We're going to step forward through the middle, letting go of the hand. 2. We're going to make half a turn, so turn away from your partner, let go with the other hand. Transfer the weight to the front foot, and now using the leader's right and the follower's left, cha-cha-cha to face one another. Sha, sha, sha. We now step forward with the leader's left foot and the follower's right foot. 2. We turn away from our partner, transfer the weight forward. 3. And we cha-cha-cha to face our partner again. Sha, sha, sha. So one of the most common mistakes with the spot turn is, bizarrely, not keeping your feet on the spot. So what I want to just talk to you about is the importance of it. So let's go down to the feet. So I'm going to make sure that I'm going to keep this foot on the spot the whole time. So it doesn't mean it doesn't move, it just means it doesn't move out of place. So I'm going to step forward with my left foot, 2, and I'm going to keep that right toe nailed to the floor. Now I'm going to twist, keep it there, 3, and even when I start to do the next cha-cha-cha, it will still remain. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe because we've got a cha-cha-cha video coming in this series, which is going to show you how to combine all the steps that we've learned so far to make a fabulous little routine. See you then.